In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this phone. So at first, just open the camera app, make sure that you're in photo mode, and here you will notice a timer icon. So just tap on it once to activate 3 seconds delay, then second time to activate 10 seconds delay, and to switch it off, just click for the third time. And let me show you how it works if you apply, for example, 3 seconds delay. As you can see, at first you will be able to see the countdown, and then the picture is grabbed. So this is it. This is how you can use camera timer on your device, how you can activate, deactivate, and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.